Okay guys, this is going to be a tutorial for Oliver's fire alarms because he just commented on my me self-activating my WR100 video to show him how to self-activate the WR100 and the WR120 and the WR300. Problem is, I don't have a WR300, so this will probably take the same process if your WR300 has an external antenna slot. So what you're going to do is you're going, if you have a cable like this, like with these two on it, so what it has is a white cable and a red cable. It can be white and red, white and yellow, all that good stuff. So since mine doesn't have an auxiliary port end, I have my own auxiliary cord right here. So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna plug in your auxiliary cord to your 2-wire thingy, whatever it's called, or TV input. Then you're gonna grab one of your radios. Here I'm grabbing my 120 so I can burst my ears out for you. So
west winds 10 to 15 miles.
So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to channel 2. Channel 2 does seem to work, and even if your local channel is channel 2, just keep it on channel 2. If your local channel, like your home channel or whatever, is channel 2, this will still work because it has to be on channel 2 or it will not work. Then take well, I'm bursting with notifications on Hangouts, but once you have your 2 cables, you can pick whatever one you want and plug it into your external antenna slot. I'm going to use the red one because why not? You're just going to plug it in. Now, you can self-activate 2 radios at once. I have done it. So I'm going to grab one of my 100s over here. Since these actually activate, I'm going to grab one of my 100s over here and plug the white cable in. First, let's set this to channel 2. Okay. So we're going to want to plug that into the external antenna slot. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to grab your auxiliary cable, plug it into a device with an auxiliary jack. If you have a newer model iPhone or a newer model iPad, you can just get a dongle, attach it to the headphone jack, and it'll work just fine. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to plug your headphone or auxiliary cable into that auxiliary jack. And why am I bursting with notifications on here? Okay. So, okay, here's my password. There you go. Okay, now what you're going to want to do is you're going to go look for some valid tones. There are plenty of valid tones on YouTube. So I'm going to go choose valid tones for self-activating. I'm going to choose the monthly test, because why not? Okay, now what you're going to want to do is you're going to press weather on both of your radios. Looks like the 120 went off. I didn't even have this thing on. Okay, we're going to play it. It is kind of going through.
Spotter information statement. Spotter active.
Channel 2 is going on for this thing, but let's activate the 100 because it takes the same tutorial as the 120 and the 300. Do this. And it should go off. 120 went off another one. For 120, I don't consider a good radio because it goes off in the region. Okay, let's try a different word. See how it goes? Okay, now we're going to try to do it with the 120s. Set this back to,
Fulton,
wait, what?
3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong
Oh, that's significant weather advisory. Okay, so
30% chance of showers and thunderstorms.
right now this has good signal on channel 2, but like I said, it still works. So we're going to plug it in, and hopefully the ELM tones don't scare the frick out of me like they always do. Well, the 120 always scares the frick out of me, so. I'm covering the speaker. It's gonna go off. See, look. Okay.
Please visit our website at weather.gov/Atlanta. The current time is 2:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The following reports of
Okay.